Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I've created the photo album. Right, so first of all I had a little bit of film that I've got here, which is moving. You can just about see, if you look in the background here, you can see that the clouds are moving ever so slowly. You can see them moving a lot faster when I show you. Yeah. So it is a moving clip, it's not a still image. Let me show you what I did. I had some photographs, what the original state of the house was before you flipped it. I took some still images from my walkthrough. Make sure this is highlighted for the section you want to manipulate, and you click on size, position and rotate. You apply the effect and then you just resize it to where you want. And I wanted it roughly about here, kind of dominating the page so that the original image could sort of sit here and like slightly overlap, and resized those and then made sure that they each sat perfectly. And then what we ended up with is this. And then that for each of them. This is lovely. And then the interesting part came where I have to make this fit onto this screen here. And this is the fun bit. This is the bit I like. You get to play around and bend stuff. So what we do is we pick up 3D distortion and we drag it where we want it on the screen. Whee! In it goes. Pinch it in at the corners. Sort of roughly about there, I think I had it. You can fiddle for as long as you have, if you have longer than I have right now. There we go. The next stage is we go to cookie cutter. We apply effects. We go to rectangle. We change the size, make it bigger. We give it some border, a little feather. Take a bit of border away. And then just fiddle until you're kind of happy with it. Then we go back to distortion and we maneuver that where roughly we think we want it. I mean, this is YouTube, it's not a blockbuster video, it doesn't have to be scrutinized by, doesn't really need to be scrutinized, does it? There we go. And there you have it. As it plays through, you see, flicks through quite naturally, and maybe it looks like it was done in game. So next we add the clicks. Did I take these clicks from a YouTube library or did I get them from inside the game? I think these ones came from inside the game. Yeah, as you click in through the photo album, it makes this noise, I'm sure. And you just need to maneuver your clicks basically until you're happy where they are. I actually think that first click is meant to be there, unless there's no, is there a click? There we go. That seems to be going nicely. And then of course, I needed some kind of music, so I picked this nice little tune. It's called I Think I Can Help You by the Six Realms, and it's free music on YouTube. Let me just play it through. Let's make it widescreen so everyone can see it properly. And there we have it, guys. So Thank you very much for joining me. I hope that you've enjoyed this making of, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.